Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord key fob battery. This is a simple process you can do at home with just a few tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the replacement quick and easy. Let's get started by preparing your key fob for opening. Now let's open the key fob. First, extend the physical key if your fob has one. Look for a small slot on the side of the key fob casing. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. They should separate with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.